पावन सीताराम। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। भज मन प्यारे राम रहीम, भज मन प्यारे कृष्ण करीम। राम 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 राम, राम 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 सीता राम, राम राम सीता राम, राम राम।
Good morning. Today is observed as World Peace Day. So here is the reading on the same. The International Day of Peace, sometimes officially known as World Peace Day, is observed annually on 21st September. Peace Day provides an opportunity for individuals, organizations and nations to create practical acts of peace on a shared date. In 1981, the United Nations General Assembly, by unanimous vote, adopted Resolution 36/67, establishing the International Day of Peace, which stated in part, to devote a specific time to concentrate the efforts of the United Nations and its member states, as well as the whole of mankind, to promoting the ideals of peace and to giving positive evidence of their commitment to peace in all their viable ways. The first Peace Day was celebrated in September 1982 on the opening day of General Assembly. Thank you. Here is a small story on peace.
The real meaning of peace. Once there was a king who offered a prize to the artist who would paint the best picture of peace. Many artists tried. The king looked at all the pictures, but there were only two he really liked, and he had to choose between them. One picture was a calm lake. The lake was a perfect mirror for peaceful towering mountains all around it. Overhead was a blue sky with fluffy white clouds. All who saw this picture thought that it was a perfect picture of peace. The other picture had mountains too, but these were rugged and bare. Above was an angry sky from which rain fell and in which lightning played. Down the side of the mountain tumbled a foaming waterfall. This did not look peaceful at all. But when the king looked closely, he saw behind the waterfall a tiny bush growing in a crack in the rock. In the bush, a mother bird had built her nest in perfect peace. The king chose the second picture because, explained the king, peace does not mean to be in a place where there is no noise, trouble or hard work. Peace means to be in the midst of all those and still be calm in your heart. This is the real meaning of peace. Thank you.
மண்மேல் மஞ்சள் வெளிச்சம் விழுகவே. peace within the state. Peace within abound. It's not too late. Just give up hate. Let's hear that happy sound. We've been happy in the world.
Happy morning. Peace chain. Kindness. Peace is kindness. Peace is for sharing. Peace is to care and not evil and spite.
Equality and fairness are the essence of peace. Those who are full of these qualities are virtues.
Are peaceful indeed with those surround them, and pass on this joy those who are full of greed.
And give wonderful memories to cherish and love. The one who enjoys peace, a great people of virtue.
And should be remembered in a great books of knowledge, and where action bring happiness to others.
These needy need these people approach, for they can give food and house which to live.
The poor people are known throughout the world, but given no attention, save little gifts and toys.
If peace was widespread all over 7 continents, then all fightings and war, all battles and mayhem
Would be needless and pointless, and it already is.
And pray for God's blessings. I request you all to close your eyes. Lord, we pray for golden peace, peace all over the world. Let all men dwell in unity, walking hand in hand. Banish fear and ignorance, hunger, thirst and pain. Let all the men dwell in harmony. Let no life go in vain. God, the creator of the universe, of all things great and small, the creator of the sun and stars that shine from above, the creator of the hills, mountains, valleys, dales, plains, deserts, and plateau, the creator of all forms of life that walk, crawl, and creep, the creator of the birds that fly in the air and the fish that swim in the seas. We praise and thank you for your creation and blessings bestowed on us to enjoy the scenic beauty of nature. It is said, when there is faith, there is hope. When there is hope, there is joy. When there is joy, there is love. When there is love, there is peace. May your peace remain with us each and every day of our lives. This prayer we make to you, God. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.